In this video, we'll look at shortcuts for entering data. Before we start, I want to show you an option related to cursor movement in Excel. On Windows, press Alt plus F, then T for Options, and A for Advanced. On a Mac, type Command plus comma to go to Preferences, then click Edit. When you press Return, the cursor normally moves down, but note that you can specify another direction if you like. And you can even turn off cursor movement altogether if you want the cursor to stay in the same place after pressing Enter. I'll leave this setting alone for now, but I want to make sure that you know it's here. Normally, as you enter data in Excel, you'll see the cursor move down when you press Return or Enter. However, you can override this behavior with specific shortcuts. Shift plus Enter will move the cursor up. Pressing Tab instead of Enter will move the cursor to the right. And Shift plus Tab will move the cursor to the left. To enter a value and stay in the same cell, you can use Control plus Enter. This same shortcut is a really useful way to enter the same data in multiple cells at the same time. Just make a selection that includes multiple cells, type a value, and press Control plus Enter. There are two more very handy shortcuts for filling or copying data from other cells. Control plus D will copy data from the cell above. You can use this on one cell at a time, or you can fill many cells at once. You can also work with more than one column at a time. In a similar way, you can fill data to the right using Control plus R. Note that the cells don't have to be next to one another if you select both the source and target. You can also use a shortcut to copy just the value from a cell above. For example, if I have a sum formula like this, I can use Control plus Shift plus double quote to copy the result of the sum formula in the cell below, without the formula. Finally, I want to mention a few special purpose shortcuts for entering data. To add a hyperlink to a cell, use Control plus K on Windows and Command K on a Mac. To insert the current date, use Control plus semicolon. To insert the current time, use Control plus Shift plus colon. You can use both these shortcuts together to enter the current date and time. Just add a space between them.